In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make an off-shoulder sweetheart neckline with very easy steps. So basically, an off-shoulder sweetheart neckline is made from a basic bodice block, and I'm going to show you how to transform that simple basic bodice block into a sweetheart off-shoulder neckline. So what we're going to do, as you can see, I have my normal bodice block. We're going to modify it. We're going to change the neckline and the armhole. On the neckline, we're going to turn it into a sweetheart neckline. Then the armhole, that's where the off shoulder is going to be. They will be off the shoulder. So there are two things here, the armhole and the neckline. So I'm just labeling my bust line, my waistline, and my hip line on my bodice block. So on this neckline, this is where we'll make the sweetheart neckline, like I said, and on the armhole, that's where the off shoulder will come from. So first, I'm just going to make a normal bodice armhole with my curve ruler. I'm just making my irregular. Then this armhole will be turned into an off shoulder. So how do we turn it into an off shoulder? From the shoulder, go down by 5 inches on the armhole. Then on the sweetheart neckline, I'll show you guys how to do that. We're going to go on the bust line. Let's make the sweetheart neckline. From the bust line, we're going to go up by either 3 inches or 2 inches. You can decide. So I'll just go with 2 inches, not 3 inches. So I'll mark 2 inches here to make the sweetheart neckline. Then on the armhole from the shoulder, I'll go down by 5 inches and connect my sweetheart neckline to the armhole. That way I'm going to have a sweetheart neckline and an off shoulder. That is the armhole that is off away from the shoulder. So I'm going to get my French curve ruler and connect my sweetheart neckline point to my new armhole. So that is my new armhole. Then I'm going to cut this out for you guys. So I'm just shaping my new armhole. In red, that is my new armhole. And in red also, that is my new neckline. So I'm just going to remove the top part because I don't need the top part. As you can see, I just want to remain with the off shoulder and the sweetheart neckline. So guys, if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So that's as simple as that. We have a new neckline and a new armhole, making it an off shoulder sweetheart neckline. Guys, thank you so much once more, and don't forget to subscribe.